Welcome to our ongoing weekly clip series, Wolff Bites.
Hi, I'm Lynette Wolff.
And I'm Brian Wolff.
We're the Wolff couple.
Oh. You want to change your life through real estate investing.
To know where to start, you must know your goals.
Approach it like a business, and a crucial part of your business plan are goals that you are accountable for.
I love the word accountable.
Yes, you want numerical targets so you can count your progress and track your results.
What are realistic goals for a new investor?
Your goals are most effective when they're written down and posted in a conspicuous spot. It's also important to have deadlines. Goals without plans and deadlines are just wishes, so set numerical targets.
We like to actually set goals with a minimum and optimum.
You should be shooting for at least 20 closing calls per month, resulting in 2 to 4 deal meetings. Your optimum goals should be closer to 50 closing calls per month with 4 to 8 deal meetings.
Here are the 12 basic action steps to buy houses.
Number 1, pre-screen the seller lead.
Number 2, choose matching closing call script.
Number 3, dial the phone, which is not always as simple as it sounds.
Number 4, be friendly to seller. Take a moment on the good leads.
Number 5, read a proven script into the phone.
Number 6, answer objections, answer questions using the scripts.
7, set appointment for the deal meeting.
Number 8, type and print agreement.
Number 9, meet the seller, usually at the property.
Number 10, tour the house.
11, work out any last deal points.
And number 12, most importantly, show seller where to sign. We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus, you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of great new videos.